Cynthia here. Today, let's talk about how to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, schedule them, develop them, and post. So, today, let me act as a graphic designer. I am a graphic designer who wants ChatGPT to tell me how to keep my social media platform active. So, most of the times, I run out of idea. I wouldn't know what to post or what to talk about. Then let's interact with ChatGPT using this prompt. Let me see. I am a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. Help me generate content ideas to post across my social media platform. For 15 days. Make it professional, fun, and interesting. I am interested in captivating designs. Colors excites me, and I am passionate about typography and designs in general. Then I'll click on enter. Let's see what idea it's going to give us. So here it is for 15 days. So today it says I should talk about color theory exploration. It says post idea, share a post explaining a specific color palette you love and how it can evoke different emotions. Use your own design works as an example. So here is for day one. When you read this answers it's given to you, you can actually know what to say. It's not going to write it for you. If you want it to write for you, it will write for you. But this is just, it's giving you idea of what to say. So I believe when you have an idea like this, you can be able to kickstart. You can be able to say something because it's actually your field. It is what you do. It is what you have experience in. So the visual is giving you an idea of how the visual will look like. It says a clean design showing complementary colors or analogous color schemes with color swatches and small snippets of designs using those colors. So as a graphic designer, you understand all these things. It now says typography tip Tuesday. You talk about this one. The next day you talk about this one, behind the scene design process. You can actually make a video of yourself making designs, talk about it, discuss it, and post it. Then fun fact, is a typography edition. You can actually share interesting quirky facts about typography, the fonts you love using and why you love using them. So with this, people out there can actually learn one or two things. You can also learn from one or two persons as well from your comment section. So here is how it works. So with this, you can't be thinking of what to post and what not to post. You already have what ideas on what to discuss. You select the one that interests you, or you can simply ask it to regenerate if you want. So here is 15 days task challenge. You can complete to keep yourself focused. You can ask it to generate 30 for you. And when this happens, if you are somebody that does not really have time, you can pick each and any of them and develop. When you develop it, our social media platform now have schedule option. When you develop them, when you work on them, you schedule them. So you can actually schedule these 15 post ideas and relax. So any day, anytime, it will post by itself. Your own is to engage with your audience. So this is how to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. So I believe you grabbed one or two things from this. So I'll see you next time.